Ever thought of making money on YouTube? Maybe you just don't know how to monetize your YouTube channel. Or maybe you're even scared of being in front of the camera and showing your face. Well, in this video, I'm not only going to show you how you can monetize your YouTube videos, I'm also going to show you how you can create videos without showing your face on camera. And stay tuned right to the very end, because I'll also be giving away some free resources and tools which will help you grow and monetize and make more money even faster on your YouTube channel. Okay, so before I dive into the 3 ways that you can actually monetize your YouTube channel, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. And we make new videos on easy ways to make money online, affiliate marketing, some scams that you may obviously want to avoid as well. And we release videos every single week, so make sure you subscribe today. Okay, so let's crack on with the 3 ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. Now, the first one, the most common one, is through the YouTube Ad Partner Program. Now, this is not going to be accessible to every YouTube channel because your channels will have to hit certain criteria before you can actually start making money. And that criteria is you've got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and you've got to hit over 4,000 watch hours in a particular 12-month period. Now, so what can you actually earn on your YouTube channel just on the ads side? So let's come over to a site called Social Blade. It's free to go and have a look at Social Blade, and you can actually just click on the down arrow here to go to YouTube, because it will do things like Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, all that sort of thing. But we want YouTube, and then just put in the channel name here. So I've obviously put in my name and my channel stats have come up. So as you can see here, it's telling me that my monthly earnings are going to be between £3 and £47. This is normally, you take these readings with a little bit of pinch of salt, because certainly as a new channel, because you can earn more money depending on what niche you are in. Now, I'm in obviously a make money niche, so that is got quite a high CPA. So let's just jump back to my account, and I'm actually going to show you what I've earned in the last 28 days. And then you'll give you an idea of how these figures compare. So what you need to do is head over to my YouTube studio and click on revenue. Okay, and as you can see here, I've actually earned $164 in the last 28 days. And that's basically the first 28 days that I've actually been monetized, because my own account only got monetized about a month ago. And we'll show you how that works. If you say 90 days here, so I've actually earned $182 in the last 90 days. And as you see, my account didn't get monetized until Monday, October the 26th. And we are actually November the 27th now. So in about the first month, I've actually earned about $180. And as you can see, this revenue is starting to creep up very slightly, my daily revenue. And I've only obviously got a very small channel. So if we hook back over to Social Blade again, and we check out a channel called Yellow Brick Cinema, this is all about meditation and relaxing music. And as you can see here, their estimated earnings are between £6.8 thousand and £109,000 on their monthly earnings, guys. And remember, this is just ad revenue itself. So there really is a great chance here that you can actually start and grow your YouTube channel to these sort of figures if you're in the right niche. And even if you're not, you're still going to be earning possibly the lower end of this. And this channel is probably earning the higher end. And if we go to their actual channel, as you can see here, yeah, they don't even show their face on the videos. And as you can see here, some of them have had 57 million views, 100 million views. Absolutely phenomenal. But stay tuned, because I'm actually going to show you how you can go and create videos without having your face on the video at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Joining and becoming a member of the YouTube Partner Program is the first way to go and make money on YouTube. Okay, so the second way you can actually go and make money is, like I say, is selling other people's products and recommend them on your videos. So this is called affiliate marketing. And again, at the end of this video, I will put a video you can watch next, which will explain it in more detail. But I'm just going to basically go over it very, very quickly in this video because we're short on time and I want to cram loads into this video. So yes, affiliate marketing is where you can go and promote other people's products. So the way you can do this is you can actually go over to certain websites. I mean, Amazon and eBay have got their own affiliate programs. You can also go to an affiliate network called Digistore24. And how it works is you'll come in and you'll come to Marketplace here. And this is where I have all the different product niches which they actually have products in. So for argument's sake, if we were going to choose something like the dating, love and relationship niche, we could just click on that. And as you can see, there's a few products in here where you can go and actually earn and promote. Now, the easiest way to do this, obviously, is to come over here to the button here and literally just click promote. And then once you click promote, you will then get a link here. Now you take this link and this is the link you would actually then promote to get paid a certain commission. Now with this product, if you made any sales, etc., you could make up to $45 per sale. And that's actually, they're giving you 90% commission on the front end of the product. Now obviously there are different products here, 75% commission there, 50% commission. So loads of different ways. In this one, you can actually earn nearly $1,500 per sale. Now, again, like I said, I've got a more in-depth video all about Digistore24, etc., and how you can use it in another video. So I'll put that at the end of this video. But all you basically do is you then come back over to your YouTube video. You would not only chat about it on your video, so you could do a video review about the product or something like that. And then you can obviously give them a call to action and actually put a link to the video in your video description. So for argument's sake, if we look at this video here, which is how to make money on Black Friday, which I made a couple of days ago. If we scroll down and in my description here, you can see that I've got some links, and these are links to some of the products that I actually recommend within this video. And these are affiliate products. Then if the people click on them and then go and make a purchase, then I will get paid a commission. So that's the second way that you can obviously start earning on YouTube. And with affiliate marketing, this is one of the best ways because you can actually start affiliate marketing even if you've got a brand new YouTube channel. You don't have to be obviously get to a certain level before you can start adding affiliate links into your actual description. So definitely check out the videos right at the end, which is all about getting started with affiliate marketing. Now, the last one we want to consider as well. Now, you may already have your own products. Now, these, you may have your own website, your own products that you already sell, and there's nothing stopping you, obviously, again, putting a link in the description to these products and services that you already have. So that would be, again, something that you could do from the start of your YouTube channel. So from the first video that you make, you could then send them to your website, which would actually be set up so they could go and grab and pay for your products and services. Now, if you haven't got your own products and services, you could use sites such as Fiverr or even Upwork to go and hire people to actually create the products for you. Again, I'll put a video at the end on the end screen that will just show you how you can go and use some of these sites to make those products. Okay, so before we head off, I promised you some free tools and resources which will help you to actually go and build your YouTube faster and easier as you go, and you'll get more views on your videos, etc. Making videos and not being on camera. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is a site called Vidnami. Okay, and you can obviously get a free trial here, 14-day free trial, where you can actually go and create videos by not actually showing your face on the video. It's very, very simple, very easy to do, and I'll be doing a more in-depth video about Vidnami coming up very shortly. So that's the first one. Go and check out Vidnami and exactly what you can go and do with Vidnami. It's a super fast, simple to use platform, and you can create videos in just minutes. The next tools I want to show you, there's two. One is called TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy works on a Google extension, which is free, and as you can see here, you can do certain keyword research, and it shows you what's very good to aim for and what's not. It tells you how to sort of publish, and goes through, helps you with your thumbnails, things like that. Helps you get higher rankings in the Google search engines, get more views on your videos, and also helps you test and tweak, etc. as you go. So TubeBuddy is a great one, and a very similar tool is one called vidIQ. Very similar features to the TubeBuddy. I've actually got the vidIQ here actually set up. I'm using it currently. As you can see, it tells you what your watch hours are, what you've had in the last 48 hours views, and etc. What it also does is it helps you with some of the analytics side. When you load the video up, it will tell you so many different things about it here. It goes through all the a checklist of what you've actually got to do to go and try and get more views, and it'll tell you, give you little things here. So like I say, the title here is too short, so they said create a different title. It's also going to give you different stats here. It will tell you what you're actually ranking for on the video tags. It'll also, when you add in your tags, it will give you suggestions to add in as well. So those two, I would definitely look at looking at both of those, TubeBuddy and vidIQ. And also, if you're looking to start a channel from scratch, or you're looking to certainly start a channel and you don't want to be on camera, then another good resource is to check out Matt Parr's free training. He does a free webinar, which is about 45 minutes long, and he goes through how to choose your niche and generate tons of videos quickly, how obviously to take advantage of the YouTube algorithm. He's actually he runs 9 different YouTube channels, and he makes over six figures from them, and he's grown some of them to over 100,000 subscribers. And he's earning about $30,000 a month from these channels. And there's only one channel, which is main channel, that he actually shows his face. So the rest of the channels, he actually does not even show his face. So make sure you check out that as well. It's totally free, guys. It won't cost you a penny. And again, some really good information on there. Okay, so hopefully this has helped you with some ideas of how to get monetized on YouTube, and then how you can actually go and grow your YouTube channel faster and easier and make more money in the future. Okay, if you found this video useful, then obviously make sure give us a big thumbs up, and obviously share this video around so that other people can obviously get the benefit from it as well. Don't forget to check out and watch these videos next. This will show you what we've been talking about. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to that channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make new videos. Okay, that's it for this video. We will see you on the next one.